Imagine this. You're cruising down the road, jamming to your favorite tunes when out of nowhere, a ball suddenly rolls into the street. Whoa, talk about a surprise. Well, that's where our hazard detecting skills come into play. By staying alert and scanning your environment, you'll be one step ahead and ready to react. Now check out these tips to sharpen your hazard spotting game. Stay focused. First things first, put away the distractions, your phone, snacks, or whatever has the potential to take your attention away from driving. Keep your eyes on the road and you'll spot potential hazards faster and be able to react in the nick of time. Scan the road. Don't just gaze straight ahead like a statue. Instead, constantly scan your surroundings. Look ahead, check your side mirrors, and sneak quick glances in your rearview mirror. Now, this way, you'll catch any potential hazards creeping up on you. Watch for any wacky behavior. Keep an eye out for the drivers who seem like they just escaped from a circus. You know, the ones swerving, weaving through traffic like they're in a video game. Now, these clueless characters may be potential hazards, so give them some extra space and be prepared to respond if they do something unexpected. Weather woes. Mother Nature can be a bit moody at times, throwing rain, snow, or fog our way. Keep an eye on the weather conditions and adjust your driving accordingly. Slow down, increase your following distance from others, and use those wipers and headlights when needed. Pedestrians. Keep an eye out for pedestrians crossing the street, especially near crosswalks or schools. Give them the right of way and be patient. And hey, the same goes for those cyclists. Share the road and give them plenty of space. Street obstacles, potholes, debris, or even a banana peel like in the cartoons can be lurking on the street waiting to give your tires a hard time. Keep an eye out for these unexpected obstacles and be ready to swerve or slow down if necessary. All right, let's dive into scanning techniques and dealing with those pesky blind spots. Now, here's how you can level up your scanning skills. Use your mirrors. Your side and rear view mirrors are your trusty sidekicks. Give them a glance every now and then to see what's going on behind and beside you. They function as your extra eyes, helping you spot approaching vehicles. Blind spot check. The infamous blind spots, those sneaky areas around your car that your mirrors just can't fully cover. Before changing lanes or making a turn, take a quick glance over your shoulder to check those blind spots. You don't want any unexpected surprises to ruin your day. Look ahead. Don't get tunnel vision. Keep your eyes on the road ahead while scanning for potential hazards like merging cars, pedestrians, or even a rogue shopping cart. By looking ahead, you'll have more time to react and steer clear of unexpected hurdles. Anticipate intersections. Scan left and right to check for approaching vehicles, people, or cyclists. Now, being aware of your surroundings helps you make smart decisions and avoid collisions. Patience is key. Now, take your time when changing lanes or making turns. Make sure to thoroughly check your blind spots before proceeding. Taking an extra moment to look around you will ensure that your move is safe. Remember, a few seconds of caution on your part can prevent a big problem down the road. The art of mind reading. Well, almost. Now, by understanding common driving behaviors and body language, you can become a driving psychic of sorts. Being one step ahead can help you dodge surprises and drive defensively. Here's how you can tap into your inner driving psychic. Spot the patterns. Keep an eye out for patterns in other drivers' behavior. Do they always veer out of their lane? Are they last-minute mergers? By catching on to these patterns, you can predict their moves and adjust your driving accordingly. Look for cues. Drivers often drop hints about their next move. Maybe they're signaling to change lanes or slowing down for a turn. Pay attention to these cues, and you'll be able to anticipate their actions even before they happen. Mind the gap. Give yourself a buffer zone between your car and the one ahead. Now, this way, if they suddenly hit the brakes or do something unexpected, you have space to react. A good defense is the best offense. Defensive driving is all about staying cool and being ready for anything. Steer clear of aggressive maneuvers and road rage. Instead, concentrate on staying aware of your surroundings and being prepared to adapt to whatever curveballs other drivers throw your way.